Hi, I have a tip for you today that will help you stay young and strong. And it's as simple as this: eat a mushroom a day. It's no secret that our immune systems begin to decline as we age, but mushrooms actually have the ability to reverse that or to fight against that. So, as you eat mushrooms, your immune system acts as if it's younger than it actually is. There are micronutrients inside of mushrooms that boost your immune system and act as an anti inflammatory. So they not only help you to fight off viruses and bacteria, but they also help you reduce your allergies. When it comes to cancer, mushrooms are able to mess with cancer's ability to replicate itself. So you can't get much better than a mushroom. The great thing is studies have shown that even just eating one mushroom a day has incredible benefits for our bodies. So consider how you might add a mushroom to your salad each day, or throw in several into a soup or a sauce that you're making. Dice them up and throw them on top of a casserole. If you want to avoid the texture of the mushroom, try throwing it in a blender with some water or the chicken stock or vegetable stock you're already planning to cook with, and let it add an extra dimension of flavor to what you're making. Mushrooms have what's called umami, which is that additional flavor that we often crave, and we don't know what that flavor is. It's not sweet, it's not sour, it's not salty. What is it? It's called umami. And mushrooms actually add that to whatever you're making. So mushrooms can keep you young, keep you healthy, and make your food taste good. Look for a way to add mushrooms to your meals every day, and leave us a comment about some of the creative ways that you have used mushrooms in your cooking. My name is Maren Vance with Vance Physical Therapy and Wellness and Just Sprouting Together. And I hope you'll check out some of our other videos on how to make the most of it.